Welcome to MSR RC. I have the second box from the Random Mechanic. It came in, matter of fact, it came in Friday. I just now getting where I can do a video on it. It's like 11 minutes after 10 my time. But here's the box. Guys, what I got in here is I can't believe he sent this to me. I was really surprised the other box, but this right here just blows me out of the water. I'm gonna go ahead and just get right straight to it. This is something that's really rare. I done a little reading up on it after he told me what it was. This is a 1966. Oh man, let me pull it back up. This is a 1966 AMF WinMax 66 Mustang GT. It's a dealer promotion model. These here were sold at the dealership when you bought a Mustang. Well, I understood. This something is, I mean, just really awesome. Which he had done a little work to get it going again, because I think he didn't have no electronics at all in it. And yeah, right here where you open the body, which it still needs, you know, a little work done to it. He added a motor to it, which they made a gas conversion motor for these, to change these to gas. I mean, this thing here is just really super cool. You got the interior where to pop out. This got, try to get it out without breaking it. Got a full interior for it. There's the dash, which it goes in there, something like that. That's part of the dash, I believe. The rest of it probably missing. But man, can you believe this thing? This is extremely super cool. I have never ever seen anything like this before. All the wheels turned on. I just really couldn't believe he sent this thing to me. Need the hood open on it. I don't know how much this thing will be worth completely restored, but I can't believe, you know, this. I mean, this thing is really awesome. I can't thank him enough. He got some stuff coming, will be coming to him soon, believe me. But yeah. Man, this thing is awesome. I have it going for long. I have to do some more video on this thing, get some more information up. I got some information I'm gonna post when I do this video. Go check his channel. I will leave a link down below to his channel. His channel is the Random Mechanic. They even come with a light kit. I can't believe that. That's the front of it. Huh. If anybody know where I can get some parts, I wouldn't mind restoring this all the way back to original. If anybody know anything about them, you know, leave me a post below in the comments. Yeah, and or where I can gather some parts up. But thank y'all for watching MSR RC. Like my videos, give me a thumb up. If you want to see more of them, hit that notification bell. Please subscribe to this channel. Thank you.